Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete YouTube history from a specific time interval. For example, if you want to delete your YouTube history from a specific time or date range, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings here, and here what you have to do, you have to go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply search for YouTube, and you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the YouTube app. And after updating the YouTube app, you have to simply go to the YouTube app and you have to open it. And here you have to simply click on profile section, and you have to click on that settings icon. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on manage all history. After clicking on manage all history, you have to simply look for history option, YouTube history. So you have to simply click on that. So here you can simply click on auto delete. So here is the option available. Moreover, there is option available of delete. So here you can simply select delete custom range. So here you can simply select a specific date. For example, if you want to delete your history from a specific date to that specific date, then you can simply delete here from here. And after that, you can simply select the date, and you can simply click on next. And after that, they will ask you to want to delete that history. So here you can simply see that that history is available, and if you want to delete it, then you can simply do that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.